Hello, welcome back to another phone application. Today I'm going to show you how to actually edit a video using your phone by using the Filmorago application. So that way you can go ahead and upload it into YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So let's go ahead and click into the icon. Once you click into the Filmorago icon, you're going to be taken into this main screen. In this main screen, you can see the little plus sign, which is the one you're going to click to start your project. The folder that you see next to the plus sign is simply the folder where all your finished projects are going to be stored once you're done. So let's click into the plus sign. When you click into the plus sign, you will be taken to this main screen. In this main screen, as you can see, you have 5 different categories. The first one is video, photo, Facebook, Instagram, and Google. I'm going to stay in the video because I'm going to actually grab some videos so I can create this tutorial for you guys. And from here, I'm going to actually go into my snapshot folder instead of my camera folder where, you know, all your videos get stored. I'm going to go ahead and click in that folder, and I'm going to grab 2 videos from this folder, which are the 2 last videos on the first row. So I'm going to start by clicking on this one. Once I click on that one, and if this is the video that I actually want, I will go ahead and click into the little plus sign, which is on my right side on the bottom of my phone, where you can see that little add word. So we're going to go ahead and click into the little plus sign, and as you can see, my video was dragged into this little circle that is in my left, which is a half circle in blue, and now it stays number 1, meaning for 1 video. Since I want to add more than just 1 video, I'm going to go ahead and click on the back button on my left on the top of my phone, and then it's going to take us back to our main snapshot folder where it has all the videos, and I'm going to select the second video I want, and I'm going to do the same process as we did in the first one. Now I am done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on the next button that you see in the right upper corner of the phone, and now it's processing. And this is our main working area. This is where you actually make all the magic happen, all the editing and everything, so you can actually, you know, create that nice project or video and upload it to any platform you want. Alrighty, to your right, you're gonna have 6 different options, okay, that are going to give you the tools you need to actually edit this video and be creative. So the first one, as you can see, is your save button. This save button you will not press, not until you're actually done editing and adding all the stuff you wanted to your video, because after you click save, then it's gonna render this video, and then obviously give you the option to upload it into YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and now click on the theme. And then on the theme icon here, you can actually see that you have the options displayed to your left of your phone, where you see the icon new. Underneath there, you will be able to see these themes: the 80, fashion, winter, and love theme. Alrighty. So I'm not going to go ahead and use one of these themes because these themes are really don't go with my video that I'm creating, but I just wanted to show you, you know, the different themes you have available under the theme icon. Now, one of the things that I do want to point out with this theme is that you cannot edit the theme, its effects or text or either soundtrack that it has, because they're already fixed. So you cannot edit them, so you can just use them on the beginning of your video, but if you would like to change anything of it, you can't. All right, but another thing that I do want to let you know is that you can actually recreate that theme if you happen to like it by using the same effects that are in the application and recreate it the same, and then probably change the text or change the color or change the music underneath that theme. Okay. Another thing that I happen to forget, just in case you guys happen to forget or want to add more videos into your working area, you can do so by clicking into the little plus sign that you see there to your right on the bottom of the phone. I'm going to go ahead and click on the little plus sign, and then it will take you back into your main screen, which you were first directed to, and then you can just select the folder where you want to grab your video. I'm going to click cancel because I just wanted to show you that if you happen to forget to actually add any video, or you want to add more videos, you can still add more videos once you've been taken into this main screen. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click into the music icon. So this music icon here, you obviously are going to be able to add music into your video, and in the folder that you see there which says my music, this music I believe is music that the application already comes with. I don't recommend using this music, especially if you're going to be creating this video so you can upload it into YouTube, because if you're going to monetize this video and if this music actually has copyright, then you might get your channel in trouble and you might get a strike or probably get your channel removed. So we don't want that. So what I do suggest is for you guys to actually download free copyright music into your phone, so that way you can actually use that and, you know, not run into any trouble. So I have already downloaded some free music into my phone. So I'm going to click into my library instead and then grab any music from there. And this is the track that I have selected. You can go ahead and click play to verify if this is the song you actually want. I'm going to go ahead and click play. As you can see, this is the song that I want. So I can go ahead and click OK. But if I happen to realize that this is not the song I want, then you will go ahead and click into the cancel button to your left, and it will take you back into where all your songs are, and then obviously you can select the correct song. So let's go ahead and click OK. So this is the song that I actually want. And now, so that's how you actually will add music into your video. Now I'm going to show you how to actually create a transition between the first clip and the last clip that you have on the bottom of your phone. Right now, as you can see, the two videos don't show any transition between them, but as soon as I click the transition icon, you will see the little plus sign will be added between them, right? So and then your transitions will appear in your left as the ones you actually have right now available to utilize. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the preset transitions there and just show you a couple. This is one, okay, and this is another one, okay, and then let me just select the sunshine. I went ahead and purchased the sunshine and the holiday transitions, but so if you download this application into your phone, you won't have them, but don't worry, you can actually purchase them. They're very cheap. They only cost $1. So let me go ahead and select this one, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK. But before I click OK, let's say you guys actually have more than 2 clips that you're actually working on and editing to create this video. You can, and if you would like to use that same transition to all the clips that you have added, you can do so by going into the bottom of your phone where you see that little to your left, that little button that says apply all, and then scroll down so you can activate, you know, that transition to the rest of the clips you are working on. So I'm going to just turn it off because obviously I only have 2 clips and it only needs 1 transition for those 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now we're going to go ahead and modify our image that is appearing into our phone. As you can see, my font is only displaying, you know, my ears, my eyebrows, my eyes, and my nose. So my image is very blown out. We need to go ahead and just, you know, shrink it so you can be able to see the rest of my body. So the way how you would do that is by clicking into the ratio-crop icon, and then obviously to your left you can see all the options you have available, so you can modify that. So underneath new, the icon new button, I'm going to go ahead and click on the ratio window that says the ratio 16 column 9, and I'm going to click it again once again. So now you can actually see that the ratio has changed from 1:1 ratio. So it means my picture now is bigger, while my video is actually bigger. Underneath that ratio 1:1, I'm going to go ahead and click into the cut side icon, and now you can see that now you really now can see my entire video, how it was recorded originally. You can see my sweater now. All right, and then you can also add a black background, or you can have it blurred. I want it blurred, but I'm going to go ahead and click into the little icon underneath the add frame where it stays blurred to change it to black so you can see. I prefer it blurred, but basically these are the options that you actually have in the ratio-crop tools to use, so that way you can edit or modify the image of your video. Now we're going to go ahead and go into our last icon to our right, which is the edit tools. And the edit tools here, you will be able to actually cut the video where you actually want it to begin in case you happen to have any blooper. You can add subtitles, you can add pictures, you can add voiceovers, and you can add music or adjust your music or your audio. You can add filters, overlays, elements, titles, speed up your video, rotate it if you want, adjust the color, and duplicate it and delete it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you the trim clip icon where you see that little scissor, so I can show you actually, you know, how you can actually edit your video and probably cut a part or omit a part that you probably did a blooper and you don't want it to begin like that your video. Okay, so in here, if you look in the bottom of your phone or in the bottom of my screen right now, if you drag the ends of the video, you can actually adjust it to wherever you actually want it to start, and then you can go ahead and click play to verify if that's where you actually want your video to start. You can also go ahead and reverse this video if you want to. As you can see, you have that little reverse there to your right button, and you can go ahead and scroll that, and then it will reverse your video, and then you will hear yourself talking or saying funny things that you don't even understand what you're saying. So basically, this is what you can do on the trim icon, and then you can go ahead and click OK. I'm gonna click cancel because I didn't make any modification, and I don't want any modification at all. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and show you the subtitle icon here. And this subtitle icon, once you click on it, you're going to be displayed a little circle with a plus sign. Go ahead and click on it, and then obviously you see the subtitle being displayed there. So click on it so you can actually enter any word you want to add into the video, and I'm going to click OK. And this subtitle you can only expand or minimize, you cannot rotate, so I'm going to leave it there. But one of the things that you do have as an option is the way how you actually want it to be displayed. So you can have it be displayed as a flash, as you see on your left hand side. You see that there are the different ways of how you actually can have this wording be displayed. You can have it to be a typewriter, fade in, or random. I'm going to go ahead and do, let me see this one, fade in. Okay, no, actually I don't want that. And let me go ahead and do the fade in. Do the fade in. And that's how I want it. So now I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So that's your subtitle. So you have effects on your subtitle. And then let's say you're reviewing a product that you purchased and you're creating a video on it, or you just wanted to go ahead and just talk about something and you just want the picture to pop in of the item you're actually speaking about. Okay, you can do so by clicking into the pip icon that you see there next to the subtitle. So you can go ahead and grab the picture and have it display or appear as you're talking about it. Now it's going to take us into our folder of pictures, so we can select the picture from wherever we might have it in our phone. I'm going to go ahead and go into my Prisma folder and grab this picture that I have there. And in here, this picture that is being added, you can actually rotate it, move it around, and make it bigger or small. So I'm going to go ahead and place it there. Alright, and you can also add effects into that picture, and your effects, as always, are going to appear into your left hand side of your phone. And you can see here that you have a fade in, and you have a slide, and then you have a spin, and you have a zoom in. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it in a zoom in, right? And I'm going to go ahead and click OK, because that's the effect that I actually want. So now you can go ahead and do a voiceover into your video. If your video happen not to have a voice recording, then you can actually add voice to it. So in this video, it actually has a voiceover. It has actually voice, so, or audio, so I'm not going to do any voiceover. But you can modify or adjust your audio of your video clip, or adjust the music that you have added to your video clip by clicking into the audio mixer icon, which I'm going to click so that way you guys can see. Where you see the little camera there, you can actually adjust now, you know, your audio of your clip by lowering it and having it mute completely. So if I click now play, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to see me moving and everything, and the only thing you hear is just the music that I added, but you won't see me speaking. Now I'm going to leave it mute like that, because you know it's very disturbing when I'm trying to show you the different type of tools this application has, and then you continue hearing me. So now I'm going to reduce also the music that I have added into this video, because I think it's just too loud. Okay, so let me go ahead and probably put it up to there. And then in here you can also adjust the voiceover, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So that's your audio mixer. And now let's go ahead and click onto the filter, so you can see these are some preset filters and colorful filters that you can actually purchase. Let me click on the preset ones. I'm not going to go ahead and click into the preset filters, because every time I have tried to click on them, my phone has crashed, and then obviously I had to redo this entire tutorial all over again, so I just don't want to go ahead and do that. But anyways, let's say you were to select any of these filters. Again, just like the transition, you can actually have that be applied to the rest of the clips that you actually have added and that you're working at to create this video by going underneath where you see the check mark OK, where you see the apply all button, and scrolling that to be activated. So I'm going to go ahead and click cancel because I don't want to add any filters. So let me go ahead and now click on the filters again, so you can see the colorful filters that are available. You see the orange, blue, red, green, and rainbow ones. So I'm gonna click cancel. And now if you want to go ahead and add like particles falling into your video, you can do so by clicking your overlays, which I think this icon you're going to like. You have 12 preset what's it called, filters, and then you have the holidays, like leaks, and some of them I purchased myself, but again they only cost $1. So let me go ahead and click into the preset ones so you can see, and click a couple. And I think I like this one, so I'm gonna leave it there. But you have that, and then you have the film one. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it in this one here. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna click OK, and then let me go ahead and click again into the overlays, and then click back and click into the holidays, and let me show you this ones here. Okay, and you have this ones with the star. Okay, let's leave the star because I like the star. So okay, and then again you can go ahead and apply this entire what is it called, what I forgot, what is the name of it, overlays. The overlays, you can apply this entire overlay to the rest of your video clips that you have in your project by clicking the little apply all button and scrolling it up to activate it. So let me go back into my overlays and select that one that with the little stars here, New Year's, and then click OK because I want that one. And then now let's go ahead and click into the elements, and the elements you basically have like little stickers, and you have like little banners, and then you have almost like little particles as well that you can actually apply, like this one here, falling stars, or these leaves here, this balloon up here, this heart. Okay, so I'm going to click cancel. Let me go back into the elements and show you the other one, which is the badge. And then you can see here, see it, it's like a title, another title, and then I'm going to go ahead and click cancel, and then I'm going to click on the elements again and go into the love icon, and that way you can see it's like a little banner there. Alright, so you have that. So it's just you, how you created you want to be, and how you want to use these tools provided to you by this app. But basically this app has a lot of cute little effects that you can actually use to add and create a very nice video, so you can share with your friends in Facebook, Instagram, or either just upload it any video into YouTube. So now let me go ahead and click into the title icon here, and when you click on it, you will have some preset titles. Let me go ahead and click there, and let me just show you a couple. You have this one, which is Romans 1, and then you have this one here, which is Particle 2, right? And then let me see, you have this one here. Okay, so those are your titles, and they already come with effects. You cannot fix that. The only thing you can do here is just add the text, and that's it. So let me go ahead and click cancel. And now let me show you the speed button. And the speed button or icon, you can obviously speed up the video or slow down the video. So it's up to your choice. If you want to go ahead and sign yourself like a little square, you can go ahead and do so by actually, speeding the video. So I'm going to click OK to leave it at normal because I'm not going to modify that. And then you can actually click the rotate button to rotate, the video however you want it to be displayed, or flip it around. Okay, there you go. And let me do it side by side, vertical, okay, up and down, and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to click cancel. That's your rotate button. And let's go ahead and click into the adjust icon. When you click on it, obviously in here you can modify the brightness and the darkness and the saturation of your clip. I'm not gonna do that because that will be your choice. You already know what it does. And you can duplicate this video or you can delete it. So basically I think we are done, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now we can go ahead and click save and have this video actually get processed so it can be sent to our camera or either uploaded into YouTube. So let's go ahead and click save so it can get processed. Right now it's being processed, as you can see. And then at the end of this tutorial, I'm actually going to go ahead and add this clip that we did together with this tutorial so you can see how actually it turned out to be. All right, and you can decide whether or not you actually want to download this application in your phone and give it a try to, you know, create videos for YouTube, or either to go ahead and just, you know, create them so you can upload them into your Instagram or Facebook, or just share them with friends. So now that it has been processed, you know, you can see that it takes you to this project window where you can share it in Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Tumblr, Facebook, video, email, or your camera. I'm gonna click save it to my camera, but I'm also gonna go ahead and press the YouTube icon so you can see how actually you upload it into YouTube. I'm gonna click into the YouTube, and now in here I have to give it a title. I'm just gonna do, let me see, tutorial, okay, and click next. Then I have to put a description. I won't do any description because, you know, I would do that later. Alrighty, and now you have to select whether you want this to be published right now or actually put it in private. I'm gonna leave it in private because I still need to make modifications to this video. Like I need to add the thumbnail, I need to add descriptions, I need to add the tags for this, and I need to add the proper title for the video. So I'm just doing this to show you actually how you upload this video from this application into your YouTube account if you have a YouTube account. All right, so let me go ahead and click upload. So now you're gonna see that it's actually being processed. There you go. It's saying the tutorial, you know, 5361 is being processed, and once it's processed, then it's gonna tell you that it has been completed. And basically that's it. So this is what this application will do for you. Hopefully you like this application, and if you do, then end up downloading it to your phone. Go ahead and leave me your comments and let me know your experience, if you like it or not. And if you like this video and this channel, then go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and give me your little thumbs up if you like the video. I'll be doing another tutorial regarding to other phone apps that I use to edit my YouTube videos so I can upload them into YouTube, which is Power Director and KineMaster. So if you're interested in seeing those other type of phone applications to edit videos, then stay tuned or subscribe to this channel. And let me go ahead and present you now the little clip that we did together. So thank you so much for watching. You guys take care. Bye bye.
I'm so tired. I've been cooking tamales all day and I'm so exhausted.